At Avro 𝗕𝗴𝗴𝗴𝗴, we don't just build ground support equipment, we engineer reliability right here in North America. Designed for durability, engineered for performance, the Avro baggage cart features a fully Galvanneal steel frame, rust-resistant finish, and heavy-duty torsion axle and suspension system for long life under pressure. Our baggage carts are proudly manufactured in our North American facility, where skilled hands and advanced machinery come together with one mission: to build equipment that works as hard as your ground crew. Every detail is engineered for performance, from torsion axles that absorb shock on the tarmac to our double safety braking system and rugged turntable steering. This cart is built to move baggage efficiently and safely. The result? Smoother operations, less downtime, and safer baggage handling, with equipment that keeps up with your ramp's toughest demands. When you choose Avro, you choose a partner committed to delivering quality, service, and long-term value. From manufacturing to aftermarket support, we're with you every mile. Avro 𝗕𝗴𝗴𝗴𝗴, best on ground. Discover the Avro difference at 𝗕𝗵�cie.com.